Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write on your own footage. Write, draw, whatever you want. Arrows, letters, numbers, pictures, whatever you want. I'm going to show you how to put it on your footage from your own hands. So stay tuned. Also, real quick, before we get in the video, I wanted to give you guys a quick teaser. I got this, and come Friday, my computer is going to be undergoing some very extreme upgrades. I'm going to make a video about that, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'm going to be telling you guys why I need to upgrade, what I'm upgrading to, what I'm upgrading from, and why it's going to be helpful. So make sure you don't miss that video. Alright, into this one. Alright guys, so first things first, you're going to need one of these. This is a stylus that is going to be used on one of these. This is an art tablet, and you can use just about any art tablet you want, as long as it is compatible with your computer. Okay, so in addition to the art tablet and the pen that goes with it, you are going to need OBS Studio, which is what you're looking at right here. I'll have a link to this and everything else that you'll need in the description down below. Aside from OBS, all you're going to need is your video editor and a website called Photopea. That's right here, and this will also be linked down below. I'm going to go ahead and open a new project. We're going to make it 1920 by 1080, 300 dots per inch. And we're going to create. First things first, we're going to make this background black. And then we're going to grab a brush tool like this. Change these things as you see fit to fit your style, what you're trying to do. And then we're going to switch our colors here. We're going to use white. So white text on a black background. You can do this with a mouse, you can draw with a mouse, but I really like to use the art tablet instead. So I'm going to set my brush size to probably 9. Call that good, and then I'm going to get on my art tablet here, and you can see that I can scribble all over the place, I can draw and things like that, and this is all being recorded by OBS. So we're going to, real quick, just write a word. I'm going to write word exclamation point. So now we have that in a video file from OBS, but we're going to have to cut it out. Okay, so I'm in my video editor, I've got my clip, whoop, word, boom. That's it right there. That's all you need. So you've got your... So what we're going to do to get this how we want it is crop in to only the black areas. You can crop the top down, crop the bottom up. And then we're going to change our composite mode to screen. The black is going to go away, and then whatever is white on there is going to show up. Boom. You're right on whatever's underneath there. It's nice to speed these up, so if you go to change clip speed, we're just going to go up to like 200, I think, for this, and then we're going to go ahead and play it, and then it writes on. It's that easy. That does it for this one. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that computer upgrade video coming up, and so you don't miss any other content that's going to be coming soon. I post new videos every single Monday and Wednesday. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.